We will begin with a short invocation song. I invite Ms. Madhuri Hegde, researcher from TDU, to render it.
ಹೇಳಿನಡಿಡಿಸು ಬಲು ದೂರ ನೋಟವನು ಕೀಳನೋಡನೆಯೇ ಸಾಕೋ ನನಗೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುನ್ನ ಇಂತಿರದಾದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಡದೆ ಹೋದೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು ಕರುಣಾಳುವ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದೆ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು ഇരുಳು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಾಗವೇ ಮನೆ ದೂರ ಕನಿಕರಿಸಿ ഇരുಳು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಾಗವೇ ಮನೆ ದೂರ ಕನಿಕರಿಸಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು ಕರುಣಾಳುವ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದೆ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು.
It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Professor Navakanta Bhatt, an eminent academician, innovator, and leader in the field of nanoelectronics. Professor Bhatt serves as a Dean of the Division of Interdisciplinary Sciences and is a professor at the Center for Nano Science and Engineering at IISc Bangalore. His groundbreaking work has not only garnered numerous accolades but has also played a vital role in strengthening India's semiconductor ecosystem. A dedicated mentor and visionary leader, Professor Bhatt's commitment to research, innovation and entrepreneurship continues to inspire students and researchers alike. We are truly honored to have him with us today to share his insights and wisdom. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Professor Navakanta Bhatt. I take this opportunity to welcome Professor Hosahalli Subramanya, BOG member, TDU, and Dean, School of Biosciences, Chanakya University. I also welcome our Vice Chancellor, Padma Shri, Professor Darshan Shankar.
I declare the convocation open.
I now invite our Vice Chancellor, Professor Darshan Shankar, to deliver a brief introduction and share his remarks.
Good afternoon, everybody. The Vice Chancellor has been privileged by the Registrar's Office to very briefly, within 5 minutes, share his experiences and ongoing thoughts on the evolution of the university. I shall do so. TDU engages in multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and very importantly, cross-cultural research focused on individuals, the community, and planetary health. The cross-cultural research framework adopted in TDU is helping faculty and students to obtain novel insights into understanding biological change at both the molecular as well as at systemic levels in areas like glucose metabolism, cognition, nutrition, food science and technology, pharmacology, and understanding of variability in clinical settings. In the near future, we propose to learn from cross-cultural perspectives in social sciences too. We expect this will inspire two impulses. Firstly, co-creation of knowledge related to human and animal health, which is our focus, influenced by respect for diverse ethnic knowledge and skills. Secondly, engagement with participatory research models involving community-based organizations. Revitalizing ecosystem and ethnic community-rooted local health traditions in households and villages is of special interest in TDU. TDU is also committed to mass-scale personalization of healthcare, especially in rural communities, by creating an open access, multilingual, multimedia, citizens portal driven by AI LLM. We are pleased that today the cross-cultural strategy of knowledge generation is receiving growing appreciation from thought leaders. I would like to point out that discovering both epistemological and functional aspects of change through cross-cultural and transdisciplinary approaches is really part of the decolonization agenda for countries like India. This agenda, referred to in Hind Swaraj by Gandhiji, must gain momentum in the 21st century. This will encourage universities to accelerate the process of developing multicultural learning platforms for innovation beyond mere alignment with Western scientific, technological, and development goals. The decolonization agenda in knowledge institutions must adopt planetary health and nationally relevant societal transformation goals. This will need long-term consortiums and partnerships with dozens of institutions who are genuinely committed to values that respect human beings, irrespective of class, ethnicity, and religion. Values that accept cultural plurality, support coexistence with other life forms, in contrast to the destructive impact on nature of the modern Anthropocene. Inspire serious engagements with strategies for restoration of ecosystems. It is such consortiums that TDU looks forward to in order to build a more just, equitable, and co-evolving natural order. Thank you.
Next, we recognize individuals who have completed a diploma in Varmam Therapy. Marma in Sanskrit and Varmam in Tamil is the great acupressure tradition of Ayurveda. In the past, this traditional practice was taught to healers and soldiers for knowledge of the pressure points that allows one to heal and also protect. Today, it is a dying therapy and only Tamil Nadu has outstanding practitioners. TDU's diploma allows practitioners of broad eligibility from folk healers to physiotherapists to learn Marma techniques and incorporate it into their practice. We will now recognize individuals receiving diploma degrees in Varma. We request Mrs. Veni Balan to announce the names of the awardees.
Thank you. So thank you so much, TDU. Thank you, sir. And I wish all the students a very best future in your practice. The students who have passed out in the Varmam Therapist Diploma are Ilango Subramaniam, Guru Prasad, Rakshit MR, Shankar Krishnan, Sendil Kumar N, Sendil KP, Chora Rajan, Muthu Kumar S, Ragul T, Shahul Hamid, and N Tangam. I wish all of you the very best. Thank you.
I request Ramesh Babu, course coordinator, to please come on the dais. I request the dignitaries to please come on the stage for the group photograph. It is my pleasure to call upon Dr. Atul Kumar Gupta, COO and Registrar TDU, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. Esteemed chief guest of today's program, Dr. Navaketa Bhattji, Dr. H. Subramania, Member BOG, Professor Darshan Shankar, Vice Chancellor TDU, other distinguished dignitaries, guests, faculty, students, and ladies and gentlemen who are present here. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I must begin, and I am beginning, by congratulating first all our graduates, in fact, who happen to be the main attraction of this celebration. So let me congratulate on my own behalf and on behalf of entire TDU and all the dignitaries to all of you. Can we have a big round of applause? Thank you. I, on my behalf and TDU's behalf, wish all of you a very bright and fulfilling career ahead. We are confident that you will make meaningful contributions to society and achieve excellence in your chosen fields. But we do encourage you to stay connected with us as well. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to the family members and mentors of our all graduate students whose unwavering support has been instrumental in their success. I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Navakanta Bhattaji, for sparing his valuable time to be with us today. Sir, we deeply appreciate your insights and look forward to your continued guidance in TDU's research, education, and outreach program. It is good to hear from him today itself that he is contemplating involving many institutions, and he did name TDU's name as well. Sir, your insight into nanotechnology, I have heard for the first time such greater details. I'm wondering, as a student from conservation of natural resources, we are talking about the micro ecosystems. I don't know, can we start talking about the nano ecosystems also, taking natural resources into play? Let's think over it, sir. Thank you for your insights. Our sincere appreciation to Dr. Soumya Swaminathanji, Vaidya Muralidhar Sharmaji, and Dr. Vivek Raghavan for accepting the DLIT. In fact, this movement has brought great honor and pride to TDU and to us. Your words of wisdom have inspired us all, and we look forward to your continued support and encouragement. We are also grateful to the chairpersons and members of Board of Governors, Board of Management, Academic Research and Outreach Council, and other committees, as well as many of the TDU's partner institutions, and all our distinguished guests and well-wishers for their constant support and encouragement that we are receiving day in and day out. A special thanks to our Chancellor, Professor Sam Petroda, and Vice Chancellor, Professor Dhansar Shankar. Both of them have been giving and continue to give their support, guidance and leadership to all of us, and we wish that their blessings remain over us for time to come ever. I would like to acknowledge and thank our two young students, Ms. Sania and Mr. Prasanna. In fact, it has been their exceptional anchoring and coordination for today's event, and of course with utmost perfection. Congratulations and thank you. A heartfelt appreciation to both our deans, Dr. Gurmeet Singh and Dr. Leena Wadia, Dr. Prasanna Shankar and his entire team of doctors and staff from IAIM, our faculty members, which includes eminent professors, professors of practice and visiting faculty, then representatives from our partner institutions, some of them are here, Dr. Vamsi, the researchers, interns and administrative staff for their dedication and contributions to the success of this convocation. I also thank the management and staff of Saranavana, this venue, our venue of today's convocation, for their valuable support in facilitating the successful organization of this event. Naresh, please communicate to them. Last but not the least, I would like to make a special mention of our team of young researchers, interns and students whom you have been seeing right from 3 p.m. Some are assembled here, some are scattered here and there, who have volunteered to take on various tasks in organizing this event seamlessly. Alongside this, I took from our VC, alongside our seasoned administrative staff. See, the fusion of young and seasoned staff, I think, has brought this miracle today. There are many senior administrative staff members. I would not like to name one or two because it may not proper, but all of them, and they know who are they. Their deep commitment and has been, of course, very truly inspiring, and that is why we could reach to this place of this concluded time of this convocation. I will fail in my duties if I don't make a very special mention for our garden and housekeeping members who have worked relentlessly. Yes, they deserve. I was about to tell in the end, but we have started. Garden and housekeeping members who have worked relentlessly behind the curtain to lay a very solid foundation for this event. A big round of applause for them, please. Thank you once again for your presence here and motivating us. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
I declare the convocation closed.